all this here lane, to be honest. It's crazy out here, you know. Take time and go, guys. As people are feeding almost at this their time. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'll show you go when you get into the deep and get clean and all those things, guys. So stick around for that. So yes, guys, I'm done. Just finished plowing this property. Can't talk really properly. It's really cool, guys. I'll show you when I'm doing the others, guys, but this is how this one look. I showed you the salt on it. Come back tomorrow and show some more salt on it, guys. You don't know that, but the clean up really nice. Ready for business again. So yes, guys, I have this property. We have the floor. I went home and get some sleep. I know I'm back again plowing this property, guys. So a lot of snow out today. I show you guys the snow fall yesterday. So I don't know if you guys remember when I started the video. This is a continuation of that video. It's all white, so I can hardly see behind me. Well, I'm not saying I'm gonna get stuck in this, but I wouldn't like to get stuck in this. Just saying. But yeah, we're plowing again, guys. I'll show you the end result when it's done, guys. So this is what it look like now. So yes, guys, as you see me, I almost done plowed this one, guys. Oh. Okay, what's up on the sidewalk, guys? So make back out the sidewalk so people can pass, guys. A lot of work up a lot, guys. So you don't know if you like how I did the little clean up here, let me know in the comment section. Yes, guys, I'm done plowing, guys. This is how it look. I'm not salting this, but that's how it look, guys. So if you guys like how it look, just let me know in the comment section.